Hi, it's Rachel Kayla, your fun and friendly Columbus, Ohio realtor, coming to you from my office at Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Professional Realty in the Grandview Yard. And today I want to talk with you about a little tip for your home, and that's using baking soda in your laundry room. And I love using baking soda. It is such a fantastic multi-purpose kind of cleanser, odor eater, everything in your home. It's not just for baking and it's not just for your kitchen. So I have a few suggestions for you to use in your laundry room. I'm going to refer to my notes here. And if you have any other suggestions for uses of baking soda or any other natural inexpensive ingredients or products in your laundry, please feel free to share them in the comments below. I would love to hear your suggestions. So the first thing that you can do with baking soda is it's great for removing odor. And we talked a little bit about this in one of my more recent blogs about how if you put baking soda in your refrigerator around the house, it'll absorb odor, and it does that with your laundry as well. So go ahead and add about a half a cup to your laundry, and it's going to take care of all those nasty odors. It breaks down the enzymes and that cause the bacteria, or the enzymes in the baking soda break down the bacteria that causes the odors in your laundry, and your clothes come out smelling fresh and clean. Another thing you can do is it boosts the performance of your bleach as well. So you can add a little bit of baking soda, again about a half a cup or so, to help boost your bleach's performance, because many times we use bleach also to get rid of odors. The third suggestion is use it as a fabric softener, especially if you have hard water. There's lots of mineral deposits that land on your clothes. That's what makes your clothes become stiff and uncomfortable after a wash. So if you add a little bit of baking soda into your wash, it'll help balance the pH level, and it'll protect your clothes from those deposits, and they'll come out softer and feeling fresher. Another thing is baking soda is great. It's fantastic for cleaning your irons. So if you use starch when you iron, you'll get a buildup over time, and baking soda is going to help clean that buildup off of your iron. So you want to make a paste of baking soda and water to help kind of scrub that off, and your iron is going to be fresh and new, and it'll glide over your clothes just like it did when you first bought it. The last thing you can do with baking soda is it helps control the suds in your detergent. So add that little bit to your wash, and especially if your washing machine requires the HE detergent or high efficiency detergent, you can get a whole lot of suds. So the baking soda will help mitigate that and keep the sudsing down, so you get nice, fresh, clean clothes without all the bubbles and suds that sometimes don't rinse out when you want them to, and then you can avoid having an extra rinse. So I hope you found those tips useful. And like I said before, if you have any suggestions as far as uses for baking soda, not just in your laundry room, but anywhere in the home, please include them in the comments. I would love to hear, and I'm sure everybody else would too. Or you're welcome to email them to me. Your tips, you can email them to Rachel, RACHEL, at rachelkayla.com, and I believe you can see it right across the bottom there. If you have any suggestions for future blog posts, I would love to hear from you. Please give me a heart, give me a thumbs up and like it. Share with your friends and family if you think this is useful information and can help them out too. I would love for them to see it. Until next week, this is Rachel saying bye.